Welcome back to PabsKitchen. Today I'll show you a super quick Nepali style boiled fried egg recipe. Let's begin. First, bring enough water to a boil over medium-high heat. Carefully add the eggs and hard boil them for 10 minutes. Once cooked, remove the eggs from the hot water and immediately place them into an ice bath. This cools them quickly and makes peeling much easier. After the eggs are completely cool, peel the shells and set them aside. Now heat a pan over medium heat and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Add a few pinches of turmeric powder, cumin seeds, red chili powder, coriander powder and salt to taste. Fry the spices for about 20 seconds on medium heat until fragrant. Then add all the peeled boiled eggs. Toss them well in the spices and fry for 1 to 2 minutes so the eggs are evenly coated while lightly frying. As you can see, they look beautiful and smells amazing. Transfer to a plate and enjoy as a delicious side dish with rice, roti, dal bhat or even as a snack. If you enjoy this simple Nepali recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe to PabsKitchen. Happy cooking! Bye!